My boyfriend's mom found her on a park bench. She has a broken leg, so we're fostering her for right now. Hello. Sorry, didn't mean to scare you. Don't fly, please. It's okay. Okay. Say hello. Oh my goodness, she's so the cutest. It's my first time giving her meds. Gabapentin, and it's 0.2. 0.2 also. This is 0.3. Okay. Oh, she's 8 weeks old. Yeah. If I remember correctly, they have 2 holes, one to their lung, one to their throat. Hold them away from you like this. Open their beaks. Come on. But you have to, it's your medicine. Let's see. Oh. It's okay. It's okay.